So the requirement is to write a simple program to pull data from a get which holds the CSV files, and we store this file into Azure Blob storage later. So all of these 5 steps is just for is mainly based on the security purpose. So in this step 1, I will demonstrate my uh, virtual machine. It has only private IP. You can see that there's no public IP, just the private IP address. Yeah, so to access this VM, use RDB. No need bashing. I create the VM with operating system of Windows to leverage the native RDB connect option. Uh, Select and see that to use this, we need to have something like VPN gateway in the virtual network of the VM. So I created the VPN gateway, this one, and then I follow the guidance from Microsoft. This is the point-to-site VPN gateway connection. So I follow this guidance to configure the server setting based on the certificate authentication. So once you have the virtual network, the VPN gateway, then you will generate the certificate. There are 2 kinds of certificate needed, the root and the client. So I followed this instruction for PowerShell to create a site root certificate, and once you just paste these commands, and you will have like automatically create the the root certificate for you. And based on the root certificate, remember to leave it open to create a client certificate from the root. Once done, go to the cert to type cert manage user certificate. You see in this personal folder, certificates of folder, there are 2 files, the P2FGI cert and the root cert. And this is what we need to uh, connect to the VM and put all the information in the Azure VPN client, and then set up the connection. So it's been connected. I can uh, open the RDB file, which is our virtual machine, and go into it. So you can see that I'm into it now. Okay. So next, we'll create a blob storage as only private endpoint, same subnet, and okay. Uh, and it is Azure Storage networking part. You see that I disable the public network access. Private endpoint connection has the same subnet as the VM. To access to this storage account um, with SAS with share access signature, I create a script for it. The script here, the script here, and we run it in the Windows PowerShell ISSE. Mm, the first thing you need to do is to pull the data from GitHub. With invoke web request command, install the AZ module to connect to the AZ portal. Choose the subscription if you have many subscription. Access the storage account, get a SAS token for the container, and use the AZ copy method to copy only file to the container. So the easy copy, this is here. And remember that once you download the easy copy, please create a folder to contain the applications file like this, and paste the path to the name of the folder, just the folder that contains these applications, and the system uh, environment in variable here. Okay. Azure Advisor recommendation at resource groups level. Resource group level. Okay. I follow all the recommendations. So that's great. Yeah. We'll move on to the step 2, manage identity. Uh, I will turn on the identity for the VM, switch it on, status, save, and once you save it, and we'll go to the storage account, access control IAM. Two identity not found here is the uh, virtual machine I've added to, but I switch it off, so it's become unknown entity. Blob storage, data contributor, manage identity. Virtual machine should be there. Yes, our virtual machine. Review and assign. Yes. Adding row assignments. Okay, so we done the manage identity. In step 3, set up the key vault, private endpoint, disable first. Okay, so we need to disable first, and then use the key vault. So already create here the key vault. It has the private endpoint connection with the same subnet here. You see that I cannot see the secret of the keys. It has been secure. And okay, now I will disable the identity. Switch it off. Save. Yes. So to access by using Azure Key Vault, this is just an extension of the code before. Uh, Now the SAS key will be secured by the key vault, and you retrieve the value of the key to get the value and to connect to the storage account accessing through this key. So this is the script for run, and it's just the same part with just adding some commands for like creating a key and set to it, and yeah. So once done, you see